Hey guys, welcome back to MrFixIt, your go-to spot for quick, easy Windows tips. Today, I've got 10 super useful run commands that every Windows user should know. Let's jump right in. Msconfig. Type msconfig and hit enter. This opens the system configuration tool, where you can manage startup apps and troubleshoot boot issues. Super handy for fixing slow boot times. CMD. Just type CMD. That launches the command prompt, your gateway to all kinds of powerful Windows commands. Temp%. Type %temp%, then press enter. This takes you to your temporary files folder. Delete those files to free up space fast. Services.msc. This one opens the Services Manager. You can start, stop, or disable background services. Great for boosting performance. Type regedit to open the registry editor. It lets you tweak deep system settings, but be careful. One wrong move can break stuff. appwiz.cpl. This opens the classic Programs and Features window, where you can uninstall or modify your software easily. ncpa.cpl launches network connections, perfect for fixing Wi-Fi or Ethernet problems. 8. MRT. This opens the Microsoft Removal tool. It's a built-in malware scanner. Run it if your PC's acting suspicious. cleanmgr. Type cleanmgr to launch disk cleanup. It helps remove junk files and clears up storage space with just a few clicks. Finally, opens the Computer Management Console. From here, you can manage disks, users, and check out system logs, all in one place. So there you go, 10 run commands that'll make you feel like a Windows Pro. Try them out, and if this helped, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated with more easy tech hacks from MrFixIt. Catch you next time.